we are back finally with a decent day because it's been raining so much out here in Southwest Florida. Finally out with the bike. Put on this new WRS windscreen. Looks awesome. Got it out. And then we're gonna be going for a little ride. I'll just show the bike real quick. Still haven't gotten a new rear tire. That should be coming this weekend. I believe we're gonna go with a Dunlop Q5 is what we're gonna go with. That's all the recommendations I've been having for the tire. So we're gonna start with that because it's still spinning pretty bad. I'm also gonna try and work on like my body position, maybe try and scoot back a little bit more, put a little bit more weight on the rear tire because it is super stretched out and way out there. So that's kind of how you look from the side view, and then there you go from the front. But yeah, we're just gonna go for a little bit of a ride. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
We just had to go ride it today, man. It just looks so nice right now. One nice day that we get out of like 2 weeks that have been nothing but rain, man. And it's like, it's not that it's just barely throwing down. It's like pouring, man. So, we're taking advantage of it. We're getting a little ride in. Oh, there we go. That's what I like to see. Get some sun out, man. But too bad it's going down. We got sun down, but enjoy it while it's out, you know? 'Cause we don't get much of it right now. I love that, man. With the Van Diemen exhaust, man, that sound. Woo! That bit is insane. Man, look at that shadow, man. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but look how far that wheel is, man. Look at that thing. Ah! That bit looks so clean. It's throwing up freaking dirt and water everywhere, but I love it, man. I love it. The stretch looks so clean on this bike. Oh, man. Can't really do too much because the roads are so wet, but at least we can go out and ride. And I guess now you can see the point of view for the new WRS windscreen. I love it, man. This thing sits up super high when you're out tucking. Sits right behind it, man. I love it. It looks super good. I saw this on this same windscreen on my boy's bike. I just absolutely fell in love with it, man. Like I was going through a couple different options with like the zero gravity one, or there's like a what was the other one? Was it like a Puig one? Is that how you say it? Puig, that one. I saw that one, and I was like debating on them, but I fell in love with this one. This one is, you know, this one's the one I like, so I ended up going with that. It took forever to come in though, but it's on. That's what matters, you know. It came intact, and it's here, so that's the thing that matters. But yeah, I love it, man. I can't wait to start testing this thing out once I get, you know, good traction on the bike and everything. So, and then a tune coming soon. We got a couple minor things coming before we get the tune. But I would say it's all relatively pretty soon that it's all gonna come in. So you gotta stay tuned in for that one, and you gotta hit that bell notification. That way, when I do post that video, you'll be the first to know. And yeah, so. S1K right over there. Some people preaching the Lord out here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Downtown is packed today. I did not mean to turn it off, but I'm gonna act like I meant to turn it off because it is getting hot. So, well, the bike's not getting hot. I'm getting hot. In the general area, it's getting hot. So, we'll shut her down, make it a little quiet because it's hot, man. It's hot.
Sorry.
No, you guys are good. How you guys doing?
Ours is not like that, though. We were thinking of riding ours out here tonight, but
Yeah, it's the weather. The weather is kind of, you know.
also I never see girl riders. She's a girl rider. She's a girl backpack.
All right, so we ended
At some 4th of July like meet and stuff, so now we're back with the with a couple other bikes. Then we're gonna go riding around, see what happened, and kind of go from there. The bike's looking so clean right now, so clean. So, but yeah, we're gonna go for a little ride and see what happens. There's a lot of traffic right now, so a lot of stop and go, but yeah, I guess we're gonna ride and see what happens with it. So,
All right, the streets are absolutely packed. We're trying to ride and it's just super hard to get out of here. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit that bell notification, and until next time, peace.